Good morning and happy Tuesday, traders. This is Jake from JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into the charts. I'm going to keep this pre-market analysis really short and sweet because I want us to stay green and profitable today. GLD, the gold, gap down today. Luckily, we have those calls that go out pretty far. I think all the way out to I don't know, July or something. So we've got a little bit of a gap down, 1.63%. It's kind of a big gap down. So hopefully that position isn't hurting too bad, but we got a lot of time and it's coming right into the support. For a day trade today, I'm looking at DISCA, Discovery, just like multiple days on the downside. So, I mean, it's got to get a bounce, right? Like, what is it doing? If I go out to the 6 month or to the year to date, you can just see from 78.14 to 34. So basically, we've been cut over in half on the daily, totally oversold conditions here, and also I think even on the weekly. Well, no, I guess we haven't really finished selling to the downside on the weekly, but on the daily, yeah, the daily, it's it looks like a good area for a bounce. So I might take this for some weekly, daily. Excuse me, day trade. Um, what else was I looking at? DXC this morning. I'm not really sure what they do, but nice gap up this morning. Um, where is it at? It's at 28.50 or no, 29.43. So yeah, we've got some overhead resistance coming up. I've charted this before. I actually like this stock to trade. Um, but you never know if the markets are going to dump, if they're going to pump. So you have to just kind of keep an eye on like the QQQs, the Nasdaq, the SPY, blah blah blah. Let's go to the 3 day on the five. I'm going to switch from the 5 to the 10-minute time frame just so you guys can see a little better. Um, yeah, we could get a nice little push up to um, some what I like to do is I wait for a dip buy, or I like to buy this of a break of this 30. That seems to be resistance because you can see how I couldn't get past that pre-market. Now it's back down here to kind of like these highs, if you will. And then I'll go to the options chain and I'll look at the volume and I'll look at the open interest just to see like where the major areas of support and resistance are. Right now, I can see that there's a lot of open interest in the 29 and in the 30. It's already at 29, so I'm going to be looking at the 30 strike price, April 21st, which is 17 days, a little over 2 weeks. So I go back to the charts, and then I look, I draw my line, support, resistance, channels, and then I just wait for a dip buy opportunity and go long with the 30 strike price. I'll look at the 5-minute time frame, and sometimes this is a good time to kind of get in. Usually I like to buy off of the 50-day simple moving average and then see it push to the 30. I probably will get rid of it at 30, or I'll be watching the stochastic and the RSI to kind of peak out. So I might not sell right at 30, but if you're 100% up, well, these are April expirations, so they don't expire for like 2 weeks. So you're not going to get a crazy move on these in returns. So could be something worth holding if I go out to the 6 month. Yeah, if we break this area right up here, guys, this is big area right here at the 29.30. So we could see a continuation into higher prices, maybe even all the way up to this 35, 37.50 area. You just have to watch the daily time frame on the RSI and the stochastic. But that's all I got for you guys today. Let's have a wonderful Tuesday and have a good green day. God bless, be great, and I'll see you on the charts.